Asian green beeeater. Scientific name Merops orientalis. বাংলা নাম সবুজ বাঁশপাতি বা সবুজ সুইচোরা. A small dainty beeeater with a slender back, face mask and throat band. Head patterning and length of central tail feathers varies across range. The Asian green beeeater, also known as little green beeeater. It is resident but prone to seasonal movement and is found widely distributed across Asia. Food habit. They predominantly eat insects, especially bees, wasps and ants, which are caught in the air by sorties from an open perch. Flies gracefully as it catches insects and other prey. Least concern refers to abundant species widely distributed across countries.